Hey Rhythm Nation, Ollie, Heath here. Now, today is the beginning of a
house party, yay!
Now, just like me, you're stuck at home for a little bit with your family, but let's not feel sad. Let's make the most of this opportunity because thanks to music, thanks to technology, I can come to your house every day and we can have a lot of fun. So I'm going to be mixing up your ideas. If you have a song, and I want you to send in samples of yourself talking about something, sing something, a little melody idea you might have, a body beat that you can do, maybe a beatbox rhythm that you can do, maybe a little rap that you can do. It could be anything musical. It could be yourself playing an instrument.
Yeah.
And my loop station can record any sound into it, and then I can loop it around and make some cool beats, even Boris Johnson's speech. Would you like to hear something?
After schools shut their gates from Friday afternoon, they will remain closed for most pupils, for the vast majority of pupils,
Until further notice. After schools shut their gates from Friday
afternoon.
they will remain closed for most pupils, for the vast majority of pupils, until further notice. Remain closed. Remain closed. Remain closed.
Remain closed.
Remain closed. Remain closed. Remain closed. Remain closed. Party closed. Party. Everybody have a house party. Party closed. Party. Everybody have a house party. Party closed. Party. Everybody have a house party. Party closed. Party. House party. Yeah, boy. All right, I hope you enjoyed that.
Oh my goodness, that was amazing, Ollie.
That was well wicked.
Well, I'm glad you enjoyed it. Now, every day or as often as I can throughout this time, I'm going to be trying to send you a different video on YouTube. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe now. Be the first to see the video. You could watch it in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, and get your family making music together. It's a really fun time to do that, and it's a really important time. Rather than sitting just watching devices all day long, actually get up, start making music and having some fun. All right, I don't want you to go crazy at home. I might have already gone a little bit crazy already, but it doesn't matter. Let's channel that craziness and that creativity into something special and make music together. So subscribe, please share this with your friends because they're all stuck at home too, looking for something to do. So please share with them. We're going to be doing some beatboxing. We'll be doing some rapping of rhyming books. We'll be learning your times tables if you don't know those yet. And have a really special time of bringing all your musicality together. Please send me loads of videos. Send me lots of ideas of videos you'd like to see, and I'll try and make as many videos for you. Please bear in mind that I'm balancing time with my own family, and if I can't get you a video every single day, please forgive me, but I'm going to get as many videos out as I possibly can over these next few months. I hope you have a fantastic time at home. I look forward to seeing you in video 2. Take care, and let's make music everywhere.
Party closed. Party. Everybody have a house party. Party closed. Party. Everybody have a house party. Party closed. Party. Everybody have a house party. Party closed. Party.